Okay, let's begin. Hi everyone, I'm Meera Zoshi and I have something really cool lined up for all the girls today. Let's just wait for a short while more people join in before we begin. I hope everyone is having a great day. I had a fabulous day today. Okay, so while we wait for more people to join in, I would like to share a few details for those of you who are first-time live commerce viewers. On your screen, you can see a bunch of cool interactive options to make our time more engaging. You can see there's a comment box where you can interact with me, tell me what you like, or drop in a question, or just compliment me. Okay, so you can see the 3 dots in the comment box. You can change your username to your real name so that I can get to know you better. Go ahead and tell me your name, where are you joining in from? Tell me everything about yourself. Okay. We have comments coming in. Okay, I see them coming. Someone's from Delhi. Delhi के छोले कुलचे मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Some people are from Mumbai. Amchi, Mumbai. Oh, there's someone from Chennai too. Chennai का South Indian food मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Food, makeup. We have Siddhi from Himachal. Someone's from Singapore. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you see, this is more fun when we get to interact with each other, right? And I'm sorry if I miss responding your comments live. Don't worry, I have my crew with me, so they'll do their best to respond you from our live stream management portal. Okay? So let's get started. Hello gorgeous viewers and welcome to Kiro Lip Love Unleash Your Pout, your ultimate guide to mastering the perfect lip with Kiro Beauty. I'm Meera Zoshi and I'm thrilled to be here today with you, ready to dish out some serious sass with your lips. And guess what? You're just in time for an irresistible Kiro exclusive offer. Grab any 2 or more products to get flat 700 off plus an extra 10% discount. That's right, it's time to stock up and treat those lips with some lavish love. Let's dive into today's stunning lip collection crafted with nurturing vegan ingredients that are all about adoration for your pout. Now let's make those pouts pop and wallets happy, shall we? Let's kick things off with today's fabulous lineup. So first up, I have the Afterglow Lip and Cheek Tint in Raspberry Compote. This bottle is so beautiful. The fragrance. This little wonder is perfect for adding a touch of color that's as flattering on your cheeks as it is on your lips. Let me try this and show you how amazing this looks. Okay, let me try. Oh, it blended so easily. It's completely non-greasy, non-creamy. It's watery, so it's easy to blend. And look at that natural flush. We can also get a bit creative by dabbing and blending this lip and cheek tint on your cheeks for soft, seamless, everyday appearance. What do you think about this color? How does this look on me? Well, let me see if there are any comments. Okay, yes, someone says I really look cute. Thank you. Okay, someone says the color is lovely. Absolutely, the color is dab. You know, the beauty of this shade is that I think it will go well with almost all Indian skin tones. Do you like what you see? If yes, then hit the bag icon on the player where you can check out all the products I'm showcasing today. Let me quickly take this off before I move on to the next one. Alright, so this is done. Next, we're diving into the Lust Moist Matte Lipstick in Hibiscus Petal. For those who love a good matte finish but hate the dry feel, this is your new best friend. Let me apply it and show it to you. It's creamy, it's dreamy, it stays put without parching your lips. Just look at this shade. This can be my go-to shade for daily wear. You know, I'm a big fan of mattes and this one feels so good on lips, I just can't tell you. Just look at it. I highly recommend you to grab some for you too. You can check out this shade or other shades as well. And let's move on. So, okay, I want to teach you a hack. This hack is called the art of the quick switch. And I'm done. Now for our lovers of options, I've got the 4Play Ultimate Quad. Imagine having 4 variable shades at your fingertips, ready to mix and match to your heart's content. Each shade complements the next, perfect for layering or going solo. Okay, I'm going to quickly try all the shades one by one. The first shade I'm going to apply on my lips. Okay, I'm going to ask my crew to give you a close-up after I'm done with all the 4 shades. And this is the second shade on my wrist. That's the third one. And that's the fourth one. Just look at all these 4 shades. I think this product is perfect to carry when you're traveling or want to play with options. Come on, let me quickly wipe this off and move on to the next one. And I'm done. Speaking of mattes, let's not overlook our non-stop airy matte liquid lip in Pink Pepper.
Delivers intense pigment with a feather-light feel that won't weigh you down.
Let's hit the refresh button on this look. A little makeup remover and we are ready for the next stunning color. And I'm ready. And finally, for that irresistible shine, our Hydra Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss in Pink Guava. It's hydrating, it's plumping, and oh so glossy. Who doesn't want a little extra oomph in the gloss? I love this so much that I'm going to just leave this on. Alright, all you beautiful people, it's time to do a quick interactive segment and see which Kiro product got you the most excited today. I'm going to launch a poll that will come on your screens shortly, and here it goes. Which Kiro product are you excited to try? Well, is it option A, 4-Play Ultimate Squad, or option B, Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip, or option C, Hydra Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss? You can select the option you like the most, and it will help me to validate if my picks for today were a hit. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so I've ended the poll, and let's see what the results are. Okay, I see my favorite 4-Play Ultimate Squad is a clear winner. I just love that shade. Tell me what really makes Kiro stand out. I think it's all about what's inside these beauties. The products are paraben-free, 100% vegan, they are cruelty-free. Let's talk about the key players. The matte lipsticks and liquid lips include hydrating oils like avocado and jojoba, which keep your lips soft and smooth. The lip and cheek tint, for instance, is infused with argan oil and jojoba oil, delivering not just color, but care. The Hydra Bomb Lip Gloss is packed with apricot oil to naturally plump and nourish your lips. Let's talk about the key players. The matte lipsticks and liquid lips include hydrating oils like avocado and jojoba, which keep your lips soft and smooth. The lip and cheek tint, for instance, is infused with argan oil and jojoba oil, delivering not just color, but care. The Hydra Bomb Lip Gloss is packed with apricot oil to naturally plump and nourish your lips. So guys, now it's time to dive into your questions. I love this part because I get to talk to you directly about Kiro lip products. Let's get started. Send in your question, guys, or anything you would like to share with me. Okay, so let's wait for a few more seconds. Let's see those questions coming in. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Benefits of the Hydra Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss. Okay, so the Hydra Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss is perfect for those who want a glossy finish with an extra little volume. It's infused with hydrating ingredients like jojoba oil, which moisturizes your lips, and natural plumpers that enhances your lips' natural shape. As for usage, you can also apply it as often as you like, whether over a lipstick or for a glamorous look or on its own natural shine. Next question. Okay, this one. Difference between Afterglow lip and cheek tint and traditional lipsticks. I think the Afterglow lip and cheek tint is quite versatile compared to traditional lipsticks because it's designed to deliver a flush of color that looks effortlessly natural on both your lips as well as cheeks. The formula blends seamlessly into the skin, giving a fresh and dewy finish that's perfect for those no makeup days. Plus, it's buildable, so you can go from a subtle tint to a stronger color with just few extra swipes. And the last question. Okay, this one's interesting. How do I choose the right shade for my skin tone? That's a fantastic question. Choosing the right shade can seem a little tricky, but with Kero's diverse range of colors, there's something for everyone. A good rule of thumb is to consider your skin's undertone. If you have warm undertones, go for shades with hints of orange or red. Or for cool undertones, shades with blue or purple bases work beautifully. And if you're neutral, you are the luckiest. You can rock almost any color. The quad offers a variety of shades, making it easy to experiment and find what truly enhances your beauty. And just like that, we are at the end of our journey today with Kero Beauty. Thank you for joining Kero Lip Love Unleash Your Pout. It's been fantastic sharing these beautiful skin-loving products with you. Remember, Kero is all about embracing clean beauty with a touch of luxury, vegan, cruelty-free and just designed for you. So whether you're simply stepping out or just staying in, let your lips speak louder than words. Don't forget to check out Kero's full range online and make the most of their discounts. Until next time, keep shining, keep loving and keep experimenting with your style. Take care and stay gorgeous.